Don't throw away leftover garlic. It's a good thing for growing flowers. Chop the garlic. Pour 500 milliliters of water, because garlic is rich in nitrogen and potassium. Leave it overnight and it will be a good oxidized nutrient solution. Using it to water flowers can make plants grow quickly. Leaf oil chlorine. The soil is not compacted.
Collect these tips to make growing vegetables easier. 1. Cigarette butt soaked in water. It's a good insecticide beer diluted spray. Can make the blade all filter shiny. 2. Dried and crushed eggshells. It is a very good calcium fertilizer. 3. White vinegar plus water can prevent vegetable diseases and pests. 4. Brown sugar and yeast, perfect growth. 5. Baking soda mixed with water increases production and prevents insects. Have you learned it? Tomato bends down, high production volume. When the tomatoes grow to 30 or 40 centimeters, he needs to perform an important operation. That is to make him lie down. Choose a sunny day between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. The purpose is to weaken the apical dominance of tomatoes. Avoid the growth of many auxiliary roots after the soil is lying down. Increase root mass, helps plants grow stronger.
1 pack of brown sugar nourishes all flowers. 1. Mixing brown sugar and water can make the leaves green. 2. Brown sugar plus yeast and water as a powerful rooting agent. 3. Brown sugar plus beer is nitrogen fertilizer, preventing yellow leaves. 4. Brown sugar plus garlic is phosphorus fertilizer, can promote plant flowering. 5. Brown sugar plus white vinegar is ferrous sulfate, adjustable soil pH. Remember to follow and collect.
Brown sugar plus water is nutrient solution, can make leaves green and oily. Brown sugar plus white vinegar is a rooting agent, can make plants grow hard roots. Brown sugar plus white wine is vitality, can make plants sprout. Brown sugar plus garlic is flowering fertilizer, can make plants bloom in pots. Please like and follow.
How to increase yield when growing beans. Today, I will teach you. Don't forget to like and collect. When the beans grow to 30 to 40 cm. That is when there are 3 to 5 leaves. We need to give the beans heads too. He pinched off a single plant and we left him 3 heads. Let the 3 side branches grow upwards together. A total of 4 heads grow upwards together. During the growth of beans, when the main vein of the bean reaches the top, knock off the top head in time. This will promote the downward transfer of nutrients, promote flower bud differentiation, improve the yield and quality of beans.